Hi guys, this is Dr. Huertas from Kaplan Chiropractic. This week's topic is shin splints. So this week we are talking about shin splints because it's really common among our patients, especially in runners. When you run, you need the mobility of not only your knee, you need the mobility also of your ankle. In the instance that your ankle is actually a little bit more stuck and is not being able to do all the movement that it should be doing, then you're going to put an extra stress on the anterior aspect of your leg, which is going to create what we call a shin splint. So one of the things that I want to show you is one adjustment that we do here in the office. Is really simple. It's technically adjusting the ankle joint. Ankle joint is actually composed of your calcaneus, which is this bone here, and your talus. We always take a look into that because the more we can increase mobility there, the more we can actually relieve this area as well. So what we do, we just place our hand here, put support here on the calcaneus, and then we create all the way here until we find the tension. And then, simple as that, okay? And this is more for the talus. Once we move to the calcaneus, I place this area of my hand here, and my other hand here, and then I just go, simple as that. It's a really, really easy adjustment. It can make a complete difference in your running and allow your legs to actually feel more relaxed when you're doing these long runs and miles. Okay? So if you want to learn more, just give us a go. Bye.